Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can reset your JBL Partybox 300, and I'm going to show you a way how you can do it. So what you can do first is like really simple, turn it on. Then when you're going to turn it on and it's going to like this, then you just want to hold the plus button and the play button at the same time for about 10 seconds. That's how simple it is. So you're going to turn it on and then you're going to hold the plus button and you're going to hold also the play button at the same time, and it should possibly work for you to reset the JBL Partybox 300. So let me know in the comments if it worked for you. So first it needs to be turned on. Don't have it turned off, and then just press the play button and then press the plus button at the same time, and you want to hold it 10 to 15 seconds. So thank you very much for watching. I just want to make this quick and effective video for you so you know how to reset the JBL Partybox 300, and have a great day and goodbye.